Welcome to the Leading Site News.
Jirjar Hanse, a young hero from Karbi Anglong, joins Indian Army. In a proud moment for mighty Mong village under 25 number, Nilip MSC constituency, Karbi Anglong, Jirjar Hanse, a dedicated and hardworking young individual, has joined the Indian Army. Born in 2006, Jirjar is the eldest son of the Hanse family. Despite growing up in a remote and hilly area, his determination and perseverance paved the way for his success. He began his schooling at Presbyterian Mission School, Silonijan, and later moved to Cleared Up English High School, run by Catholic missionaries in Langmili, where he completed his matriculation. After completing his 12th standard, Jirjar took the bold step of joining the Indian Army. He underwent rigorous training at Hyderabad, Telangana, and upon completion, was posted in various locations including Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir, and Himachal Pradesh. A football enthusiast, Jirjar believes in maintaining his fitness and stamina through sports. "I'm fond of playing football," he shares. "It helps me stay focused and physically fit." Inspiring the young generation, Jirjar's advice to the youth is clear. Join the Indian Army to protect our motherland and safeguard our nation from enemies. It's a noble profession that requires courage, dedication, and sacrifice. Jirjar's achievement brings joy and pride to his family and community. His story serves as an inspiration to the youth of Karbi Anglong, demonstrating that with hard work and determination, anyone can achieve their dreams. The Leading Site News team extends its warmest congratulations and best wishes to Jirjar Hanse on his noble endeavor. Your dedication to serving the nation is truly inspiring. May your journey in the Indian Army be filled with success, courage, and honor. We wish you good luck in your mission to protect our motherland. Your achievements will undoubtedly motivate the youth of Karbi Anglong and beyond. Keep shining, Jirjar.